The agricultural Lakehouse is a modular residence designed by Arkular to address modern living amidst a rural landscape. It presents a contemporary interpretation of the humble lakeside home, yet enriched with eco-friendly and material-efficient architectural touches. The house generally features clean geometric shapes, utilizing efficiently assembled prefabricated modules. The lines are bold yet soft when combined with natural materials such as wood and dark finished steel. The design emphasizes horizontality, creating a sense of unity with the water's surface and the surrounding agricultural landscape. The home's surroundings are enhanced by a garden plan by Eckersley Garden Landscaping, featuring a blend of natural dams and meticulously designed shrubbery. This landscape, meticulously crafted by Cheeky Nature Landscapes, creates a small ecosystem that harmonizes with the home and offers an immersive experience of rural nature. It is meticulously designed using Japanese design principles to minimize wasted space. Encompassing a multipurpose room with a fold-out bed to create a yoga studio, internal sliding doors separate the hallway, which also functions as a larger, combined space for entertaining, including a sauna. On the other side of the hallway are the bathroom and kitchenette. Sliding doors open direct access to the endless deck, and the stepping stones blend seamlessly with the texture of the surrounding soil. The living experience here is also enriched by the Nordic hot and cold therapy ritual, moving from the sauna to the cool waters of the dam via a diving board jetting out over the water's surface, creating a deeply visceral and invigorating connection between body and nature. More than just a prefabricated dwelling, the agricultural Lakehouse is a testament to how modern design can blend with sustainability. Its modular principles minimize the construction footprint, while the building's orientation allows for optimal natural light and ventilation. This home exemplifies how architecture can celebrate simplicity, serenity, and the intimate connection between living spaces and nature.